I was finishing up my skincare routine and I just had to go ahead and do some teeth whitening as well to complete the whole experience. And so if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know I've done other teeth whitening hacks, but I was recently sent a package from Auraglow, and I wanted to try an actual teeth whitening kit. This is definitely a more affordable option compared to going and getting it done, and this will be my first time ever trying it. Complete lead whitening kit. And what I'm hoping this will do will replace my charcoal bootleg whitening. Although that's still good, this is what we're going to be using. Slides right out like this. And it comes with instructions. And then it comes with all of the stuff. So this is the teeth whitener. This is the whitening gel. And then this is the charger. So you want to brush your teeth, floss, which I've already done. And I wouldn't say that my teeth are super yellow or anything, but for special events you want to have that little extra oomph. So I'm trying this out to see. Of course you want to read the instructions, and it says to go ahead after you do all of this to fill the tray with a thin line of gel in a single stroke. Avoid overloading the tray. Okay. So I charged this. I'm going to rinse this. Oh, wow, so bright. And then we want to line, okay, the bottom and the top. So we have the gels here, the whitening. Oh, it's gushing. Okay, so I'm just applying a thin layer and then a thin layer at the bottom. Then once we do that, it says just to go ahead and place the piece in your mouth, and you're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. So let's make sure we get it good before to see if it's actually working. Like I said, my teeth aren't super yellow, but okay. And right now it is 11:37, so we're gonna set the timer for 30 minutes. Okay, so during it, the LED light was kind of trippy to me because I had never used it before and I wasn't completely sure what it should feel like, but it didn't hurt, but it was just like a laser, right? Because it has this LED light that they use to kind of get the whiteness, and I can't really tell, but if you get really close you can see that it looks different on both the top and the bottom. You can't eat for an hour after you complete it. So what happened was once it was done, I had my timer going, but after 30 minutes the light shuts off anyway, so you may not even need a timer. I think the thing for me is that this is what people go and get paid to get done, right? Like they get veneers or they use LED lights. This was the perfect at-home opportunity to just kind of get it myself. I think I do kind of see my teeth, you know, glistening. This is the first treatment. There's enough in here to do more than one treatment. It says feel free to brush your teeth or the tray to take care of excess gel. I immediately, when I took I didn't swallow when I had it in my mouth, so once I took it out I had lots of excess saliva, so I spit it, brushed my tongue around my mouth to get any of the excess gel, spit it out, rinsed my tray really well. Easy, smooth, to the point. This video showed you how to use this Auraglow LED teeth whitening kit. I really only plan to use this for special occasions. It's not going to be like an everyday thing. I would give this so far, just like first impressions, a 10 out of 10. Super easy to use, super easy to follow. They had everything you needed right in the box. Super affordable. You can find all the information in the comment and descriptions below. I also have a coupon code for you to get some dollars off if you want to go ahead and try this to get your teeth pearly white like me. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in my next one. Toodles.